Hello and welcome to Coin Monitor, and here are the top headlines for the day. The impact of Donald Trump's speech on the crypto market, why the TON ecosystem is trading higher, and the Bitcoin ETF flows for the week. But before that, do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and let's get started. So if we talk about the overall crypto market, Bitcoin and the other big cryptos took a hit on Friday, and market participants are concerned about the US tariffs, and which has made investors less willing to take investment bets. And a lot of economists are concerned that these tariffs could drive up inflation, making it harder for central banks to help struggling economies. Why we are saying this? Because this week global leaders were also sounding cautious during the central bank meetings, with a lot of focus on the uncertain political and the economical climate. For example, the US Federal Reserve, the Bank of Japan and the Bank of England also decided to keep interest rates the same, pointing to concerns about the trade tensions and inflation going forward. If we talk about investors are confronting an increasingly cloudy outlook for the global economy, with President Donald Trump planning a series of broad reciprocal tariffs on the April 2nd, and this is the pain point for the market, and it will remain as a pain point for the market going forward as well. Bitcoin was trading lower by 1.5% at near $84,000, while the Ethereum slipped nearly 1.2% to trade at $1,968. The global crypto market cap declined 1.5%, was around $2.75 trillion in the past 24 hours. If we talk about the overall US ETF flows have turned positive for the week, and if we talk about on Thursday, around 1,910 Bitcoins were bought, and 6,080 Ethereums were sold on March 20th. And Bitcoin ETF saw and witnessed 165 million in the net inflows during this period. This is something, a very big positive sign for the entire market, and which has actually reversed from unabated selling since Feb. The most important Trump speech, which happened on Thursday, wherein he addressed the BlackRock's Digital Asset Summit in the New York via a pre-recorded message, wherein he reiterated his commitment to position the US as the leader in the crypto space. And he also pledged to remove restrictive regulations and urged Congress to establish clear regulations for the stable coins and digital assets market, because stable coins will reassure the strength or the standing of the US dollar in the market. That's what the intention is. If we talk about altcoin and its ecosystem, Ripple's XRP had actually gained in the last 3-4 days on the back of positive announcement by its CEO that the case SEC versus XRP will go away, and that is the reason why the market was really hopeful that we can see a rally in this counter. But it has given all the gains on the back of profit taking, but it's still up 1.5%. Talking about Tron's TRX and TON were the only major tokens in the green, rising 2% each. TRX was floated on Solana for the first time ever on the late Thursday in an attempt to expand its user base. And while the TON saw retail demand after the TONCoin Foundation said that the venture capital firm now holds over $400 million worth of the assets after a fresh investment. If you talk about the technical check of the entire market, if BTC continues its correction, it could extend the decline and retest the next support level, of which is near $78,250. Let's understand the outlook for the market, and the SEC is holding its first ever crypto roundtable today. The event will feature key discussions on the crypto regulations, bringing together experts and the industry leaders to explore challenges and opportunities in the crypto space. And this marks a significant step in shaping the future of the crypto regulation going forward, and this can be a widely tracked event because anything around this can trigger volatility. So keep your options open in terms of spot or derivatives or options. Keep yourself hedged against this event. That's all there is in this Coin Monitor. This is Manoj Dara signing off. But keep watching 3.0 TV for more such interesting updates and analysis from the crypto world. Until then, thank you.